Hi, reactivating your Demat account with Kotak Securities is very simple. A quick video verification is all that is required. Let's record a short video with me to reactivate your account. Here is what you need to do. Firstly, before starting recording the video, make sure you are in a place with good lighting. Hold up your original PAN card facing the camera. Ensure both your face and the PAN card are clearly visible. Please avoid using the camera in selfie mode. Position the camera from the back side and zoom in so that your name and PAN card number are clearly visible to avoid any rejection. Hey, all set from my side. Now I'm going to show you how to record your video. Say hi, my name is Indu Chaudhary, my client code is, my PAN number is, and I would like to activate my account. Keep the video file size under 10 MB. After completing the video verification, we will start the process to reactivate your account. In case you want to update your KYC details, click on the link given below in the description box. If you are an NRI or have a non-individual account, then download the KYC form and the dormant activation form from the link provided below in the description box. Afterwards, submit the form to your nearest branch. That's it.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.